Welcome back. I'm gonna head out, do a little bucking and splitting today. But this time, I'm not taking my LogOX 3-in-1 with me. I'm taking the brand new and improved LogOX 3-in-1 tool, just released by Austin and his family at LogOX. Austin's made 5 practical improvements to what was already a really effective tool for the forest. The most noticeable improvement is the size of this foot. It's a big foot, and I think that's what he calls it. Much larger surface area with a formed piece of steel gives you a little more leverage and a little easier to timberjack that log. And to complement that big foot, Austin's put a longer bar on here. Thicker steel inside, which is going to give you a lot more leverage when you're timberjacking logs. Especially helpful for somebody in my size. And he's increased the size of the handle. That way it's a little easier when you're wearing forestry gloves to get a good grip. And I'm sure you've noticed the safety hook is now orange, like the rest of the LogOX. That way when you're sawing really close to it, it's much more visible against the log. And lastly, he replaced the old style pins that had the R-pin. One piece swing over pins to connect your LogOX together. No more worries about losing an R-pin on the forest floor. It's time to put it to work. Well, Austin, you definitely hit a home run on it. I loved it before. I love it even more now. The extra length pipe, the larger Bigfoot, make it a lot easier and give you a lot more leverage when you're timberjacking logs. And a big benefit are these swing lock pins. I can put each one of the different 3 pieces together far faster than I used to with the old R pin. I guess we better get to splitting these blocks. Thanks for sticking around today, and thanks to Austin and his family for setting us up the new and improved 3-in-1. Have a wonderful week with your family. Please be kind to one another. And I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.